Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start with essentials. Make sure your tablet has enough battery or is charging because hotspots drain power fast. Once done, close VPNs or apps that limit tethering so nothing blocks the connection. Now open Settings, tap Connections, then Mobile Hotspot and Tethering. Enable Mobile Hotspot. You do this first to create the network interface, otherwise client devices won't see the signal. Make sure to note the default network name and password shown on screen. Next, you configure the hotspot so it's usable and secure. Tap Configure or Edit and set a clear SSID so you can find it, then change the default password to something strong. This prevents freeloaders. Make sure security is WPA2 or WPA3 for encryption. Then choose the band to 4 GHz for range, 5 GHz for speed. Also limit the number of connected devices and enable a data cap if your carrier has limits. Finally, connect devices. On the phone, laptop, or tablet you want online, open Wi-Fi, locate the SSID, and enter the new password. Once connected, monitor speeds and device count. If a device won't join, restart the hotspot and the client device. This often clears DNS and handshake issues. If tethering is blocked, check your cellular plan and APN settings. Some carriers restrict hotspot access. If problems persist, toggle airplane mode for 10 seconds and re-enable cellular data as a last quick fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.